Hi everyone, welcome to my another lecture on double integration. This is in this lecture the learner will be able to understand the change of order of integration into polar coordinate. We have to change the Cartesian coordinate into polar coordinate and then we integrate it. Okay, because it will be more easiest calculation. Okay, how to change? In order to change the from Cartesian to polar coordinate, we just replace x by r cos theta and y by r sin theta. This thing you have to remember: x by r cos theta, y by r sin theta, and dx dy becomes r dr d theta. This thing you have to remember. And always you have to remember, after changing into polar coordinate, the external limit we have to take theta equal to something and internal limit will be r equal to something. This thing we have to remember. Number one, this is number two, this is number three, and this is number four. These four things you have to remember. Then you can do changing into polar coordinate. I have taken a sum from university question paper. Evaluate this over the circle at this. Okay. It is not mentioned that you have to change the into polar coordinate. Okay. So what I am doing from the, that is, this is a circle of radius 1. So I am just drawing a circle. Okay. So that means you have to find x square plus y square less than equal to 1, that is x square plus y square to the power 7 by 2 dx dy. Okay, so this is your required area. This is your required area. This is your required area. Okay, so now how to find this? How to find this? So you have to make, that is what I told, x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. That is x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, and in place of dx dy we have to place r dr d theta, and r varies from the, or this is the circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is a circle, so radius 1, so this point is 1 comma 0. So this is r theta, this is the strip, this is this point is, this is x, this is y. So this point is also 0 comma 1. So now what is actually r equal to 0 to 1? This is r, this length is r equal to r varies from 0 to 1, and theta varies from 0 to this 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, because over the circle they are asking, not in first quadrant. If it is in first quadrant, then theta equal to 0 to pi by 2, but it is given that over the circle, so theta is 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. Now I am integrating. This is theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. This is the outer limit. Why? Because theta is always constant. Theta is always constant. As we know, the outer limit of double integral was always constant. So I am taking theta is as outer limit. Now inner limit is r equal to 0 to 1. Then x square plus y square. X square plus y square equal to, you see, it will be r square. So r square, that means r to the power, it will come. If we put over here, then r to the power 7. And what is dx dy? In place of dx dy, we will put r dr d theta. R dr d theta. Very easy. Now you see, the sum is this. It is converted into, that is changing into polar coordinate. Then we are integrating. It will more easy. Okay. So this is theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. Then it is r to the power 8. It is r to the power 8. So it integrate r to the power 8 integration r to the power 9 by 9. Then 0 to 1, that is, it comes 1 by 9 into d theta. So now d theta, so integration theta equal to 0 to 9, 2 pi, d theta integration d theta integration is theta. So now I can write over here 1 by 9 theta, then theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. You see? So now outer limit, my upper limit minus lower limit, that is 2 pi. So it will answer is 2 pi by 9. Answer is 2 pi by 9. Okay. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. So I this is 2 pi by 9. Okay. So this is 2 pi by 9. Is it is not visible. That is answer is, I'm just taking the answer. This is 2 pi by 9. 2 pi by 9. Theta equal to, this is 0 to 2 pi. Outer limit minus inner. This is 1 by 9. Okay. So this is theta, outer limit minus inner limit. That is 2 pi minus 0. So it is answer is 2 pi by 9. This is the answer. Okay. This is the answer. By this way, we can do polar coordinate, that is changing into polar coordinate. Then it will be more easy. So this is the 12th lecture in my, that is double integration. Double integration up to 0, up to 1 to 12. There are 12 lecture. I have completed this section, that is double integration. You will see each and every lecture. Then I think there will be no problem at all in double integration. Okay. So nextly I will start I will start in line integration. Okay. So double integration is finished. Okay. Double integration is finished. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.